Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to log out Threads account. Maybe you want to switch to another account or you simply want to ensure your account security as you are using the application on a shared device. So today I'm going to show you how to log out Threads account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, you can now see this logout option. Simply tap on it to initiate the logout process. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure that you want to log out. Remember, once you log out, you'll need to re-enter your login credentials to access your account again. If you are sure, tap Log Out to confirm. After that, you now have successfully logged out of your Threads account. You will now be taken back to the login screen. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out Threads account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out Threads account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.